So today we are gonna do,
spray painting this.
we're gonna spray paint the frame. So we bought this frame, and we don't want it to be white. The decorative is like an aqua and beachy theme inside our house. So we're gonna take the white, we're gonna take out the glass, we're gonna spray it all blue.
Take out the pictures.
So we're gonna take it apart and just show you how an easy, quick way to spray paint this thing blue. So let me show you the blue paint. Hold on a second. That's the color we're gonna go with, huh? Okay. It even shows you can paint things. Let me shake it up. Shake it, 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 shake it. Ready?
All right, let's get started. Make sure to stay far away from it.
Alright, so this one came with the shelf as well. So we're gonna make sure we get this one sprayed the same color. So here we go. As you can tell, I had to do 3 coats to try and get an even coat. It wasn't that great. If you've ever done spray paint on like a plastic or a glossy material, you'll know it wants to run in certain spots. So you got to take your time, keep the good distance away when you spray, don't let it run. So with Bella helping, it wasn't the greatest texture, so I had to give it a couple coats to try and even it out the best I can. But I'm gonna get it all put back together, get the pictures in it, and then I'll show you with it hung up on the wall what it looks like. So